Good morning, classmates and tutors. I am going to share my video about the step number 1. The sounds are M, V, and F. They are pulmonary because the air stream is set in motion by the lungs. They are aggressive because the iron stream is forced outwards. The sounds M and V are voiced because the vocal folds vibrate. Pay attention. M and V. The vocal folds vibrate. And the sound F is voiceless because the vocal fold don't vibrate. Pay attention. F don't vibrate. The sound M is nasal because it's produced by blocking air in the mouth and releasing it through the nose, and for that reason is stop or plosive, and it is bilabial because the place where the closure occurs are in the tubular. Two lips. Okay, continue. The sounds V and F are oral because it occurs when air is allowed to escape from the mouth. V and F. Okay. The sound V is alveolar because the point where the close occurs in the tongue plaque, and it is lateral because the tip of your tongue is touching your alveolar V. The air is still flowing because the side of your tongue has dropped down and left an opening. And the sound F is labiodental because the place where the closure occurs are the lower lip and the upper front teeth. F, the lower lip and the upper front teeth. F. And it is fricative because there is partial obstruction of the air produced by placing two organs very close together. Okay. Some examples of the three sounds are with M, mother, map, meal, and the sound D, they, dream, did, and finally the sound F, face, film, funny. Okay. And it is all. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.